Today, I'll show you how to design this stackable storage box in FreeCAD. Step by step. Perfect for total beginners. Let's jump in. If you're learning FreeCAD for 3D printing or Arduino projects, this is the perfect place to start. Start by creating a new body, then open a new sketch. Move the cursor to the origin. When you see the small cross, click to start. Draw a rectangle measuring 70 by 50 millimeters. FreeCAD automatically constrains it. So the profile is fully constructed. Delete the right vertical line to create space for the opening. Select the line tool and draw a 35 millimeter line at a 60-degree angle. Then connect the remaining points to close the shape. The sketch is not fully constrained anymore. And that's okay. We'll cover constraints in another beginner lesson. Close the sketch, click Pad, and extrude it to 50 millimeters. Select the top of the box and open the thickness tool. Set the walls to 1.5 millimeters. Your storage unit is now hollow. To make it stackable, select the top face and start a new sketch. Click the external geometry tool and select all outer edges. They turn pink. These will be our reference lines. Create two rectangles on the sides, each 70 by 3 millimeters, starting from the corners. Now add one more rectangle at the back. Everything snaps thanks to the external geometry. The symbols you see on the sketch are constraints: horizontal, vertical, coincidence, and length constraints. They keep the shapes aligned and stable. We'll cover them in detail in another video. Close the sketch, click Pad, choose 2 dimensions, and set both sides to 2 millimeters. Select the top external edges and click Fillet. Set it to 2 millimeters. You'll see the shape instantly smooth out. Select the 2 front edges and click Chamfer. Set it to 2 millimeters. A value of 3 millimeters fails, and 2.5 doesn't look good. So keep it at 2 millimeters. Click Chamfer again. Then in the sidebar, click Select. Pick the 2 matching edges. FreeCAD automatically applies chamfering to the remaining edges. Press OK. Our model is complete. Select the body, go to File, Export, and choose STL. This format is ready for 3D printing. Load the STL into Anycubic Slicer. Here are good beginner settings. Layer height, 0.28 millimeters walls, 3 infill, 15% supports, needed brim, optional slice it. and your first FreeCAD design is ready to print. If you're enjoying this beginner series, subscribe